Honey from Malaysia, and I'm a trained and certified Raindrop therapist from Care Institute USA. Raindrop is great for your kids because it helps with sleeping problems. It enhances their motor skills. The immune system is also improving after Raindrop session. It also helps with their back and postural problems. After Raindrop session, you'll notice the difference where they stand taller. They are taller if you measure their height. To register for the workshop and the private sessions, contact Tina Maladi from kidsyogajakarta.com. See you then. Bye.